Alright, today we will be unboxing another Fiji Airways model. This time it's in 1400, and y'all probably know what it is. But, so let's start out. Here's a bag. I've used this bag before, but there's the model. You know, you already know. It's the Fiji Airways A350-900 by Gemini Jets. But let's start right on into this unboxing. So right there, Gemini Jets logo made for by collectors. Your Fiji computer generated image. Airbus A350-900. Fiji Airways 1400 scale diecast model aircraft look inside. But here are the sides. What? It's 14. Does anybody remember from what? Oh my gosh, focus. What is 14? In the last video from where I unboxed this one, it was 12. It was 12. See? What? Anybody remember that clip? 12 years? What? It was 14! Well, let's move on. We'll get over it. Or maybe I'll get over it. But 2020 Gemini Jets Las Vegas Nevada release. This isn't we got any of the other licensed product things on the side. That's cool. There's your flap. Pause if you'd like to read. There's the model. Let's get this baby right open. There she is, man. Such a beautiful model. Looks so good. It's gonna be so good on the airport. So excited for Airport Update 6. I'm going to enjoy uploading that one and making that one because I haven't made it yet. But yeah, here it is, the Fiji Airways A350 and 900. This aircraft looks so good. I really like this. It's an amazing aircraft. They did a really good job with this. But yeah, guys, I think that'll do it for this video. Please stay tuned. We got more airport updates, trip reports, unboxing videos, and I have the first in a new series coming out soon. I'm gonna edit it and put some other clips together and see if I can get a great looking video, and then you'll probably see, if you follow the Instagram, go ahead, go down below, links down below too. We may be getting Twitter, I don't know. We don't really tweet. We mostly are on Insta. But go down below, click on that link, go drop a follow. And Instagram's right on the screen. It should still be on the screen. And then please comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next one for another banger of a video. Until then, this is Fun Tube Aviation signing off. Whoa, what the?